What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamara G, and we are back with another video. So if you guys read by the title, today we are getting into another half wig. I just feel like half wigs are the perfect wig for the summer, and we are working with Unice hair today, and they even sent over this edge toothbrush that's detachable. Do y'all see that? And it comes with like a second brush, so I can put a new one on there after I use that one out. It comes with these cute headband. This is the half wig. This is a 24-inch 150 density kinky curly half wig, and the thing that is a little different about this unit, it has a little bit more clips. Like, it has 2 clips in the front for more security, and it has the blend edge design, so you guys see how the hair is like a little frizzy, just kind of to mimic your hair, so it will make your hair blend even easier. So to install this, I just had my same little braids to the back, and I took out a little leave out in the front. I put a wig cap on my hair just to like protect it a little bit more, and there is so much security on this half wig. I feel like this is the first half wig that I've reviewed that has the most security. All of them were pretty much secure, but this one was just very secure. And you know, it's also that drawstring in the back, as you guys seen, for extra security, so this is not flying off your head whatsoever. Even if you put 2 braids in your hair, like, it's not gonna fall out, like, it's not gonna slide, it's not gonna do anything, it's literally gonna stay in your head. So I just wanted to get a little close-up on the little blended edge design. As you guys can see, it makes it so easier for everything to blend. Like, it's already giving like I had 2 braids in the front and I'm just wearing it like this in the back. So now I'm taking out my braids, and when you are working with half wigs, you do not need a whole bunch of leave out. You need minimal leave out. So as you guys can see, I am just brushing the little leave out that I did have so I can blend everything, and we're gonna go ahead and wand curl the hair. So I'm just brushing everything, and I'm gonna add my wax stick on the top. And what I like to do now is add my wax stick on and then brush the product into my hair and then go in with my hot comb. So you guys are going to see me do that. So now that my hair is wand curled, this is like the first hairstyle, which is like a little middle part, little wand curl moment, you know, curly hair middle part in the middle. I'm just doing a little bit of edges. These edges, they just didn't make no sense. I'm gonna perfect them when I show you the other styles, but I was rushing because you know that little weird point when my hair is relaxed, so you know the weird point where your hair is like growing in and it's kind of not giving like the fresh relaxed look. Like that's what it was giving. I was really trying to make it work with this gel. I should have used my extreme gel, but I used the got to be, and my extreme gel be better than got to be. But yeah, this is the first style. So now we're gonna go into the second style. This unit is, the styles vary. You could do so many different styles with this. So we're going into this little headband look, and I am using one of the headbands that came with the unit, and I am gonna get my edges together now. So I just want to do like little two edges and then sideburns, nothing crazy, but you guys are gonna see me get that together. So this is just really cute, very natural. This half wig is very natural, and as you guys can see, I did not have to wand curl the whole head. I just wand curled majority, make sure my hair was blending and make sure it looked good and made sense. But yeah, I'm just getting these edges together, and this is a look 2. So for style 3, we are just doing a side part, and this is giving flip over quick weave type look. And you guys see how easy it was to achieve it. I just, you know, put my hair to the side. Everything is blending, nothing is showing. Like I said, the styles are endless. So make sure you guys click that link in the description box down below and get this unit, because this is the perfect unit for the summer. And this is the max security half wig. Like this is one of few half wigs that I've had that has very, 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 very secure. Like that don't even make sense. I was about to say very security. It has so much security on there, but this is the third style, you know, and then just like that, I just flipped it straight back into a middle part like that. So it is very, very, very easy, you know. So now we're gonna go into style 4, and we're just doing a simple half up, half down. And a half up, half down isn't hard. It's very, very easy, and everything is blending, so you do not have to worry about trying to make your hair blend with the half wig, because it's going to blend very easy. Even with minimal leave out, you can do a half up, half down. Yes, and this is the last hairstyle that I did, which is the half up, half down. You could try so many different hairstyles. I am going to do more soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is just it back in the middle part. And my favorite one was with the headband. So you guys are gonna see me with the headband again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys purchase this unit because as you guys can see, it is very full. It's 150 density, and this is just one of the easiest units to do. Like, this is very, very beginner friendly. So if you guys need something easy to do, a little quick style for the summer, this is the perfect unit to purchase. So go on unice.com and purchase this unit. But I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Yeah, babies, we out.